two men or three women or six boys can do a work in 5 days, then in how many days will one man, one woman, and one boy take to complete the whole job? So, two men can complete a work in 5 days. Two men require 5 days. So, two men every day they will do 1/5 of the work. So, one man every day they will do half of that. So, half of 1/5. So, this is the part of the work done by one man in one day. So, this is the first equation. Now, let us get the next equation. Three women can do a work in 5 days. So, three women can do a work in 5 days. So, three women every day they will do 1/5 of the work. So, one woman in one day they will do 1/3 of that. So, 1/3 into 5. This is the part of the work done by one woman in one day. Also, six boys can do a work in 5 days. So, six boys require 5 days. So, six boys every day they will do 1/5 of the work. So, one boy in one day will do 1/6 of that, 1/6 of 1/5. So, this is the part of the work done by one boy in one day. Now, we have one man, one woman, and one boy. So, one man every day he will do 1/2 into 5th of the work. One woman will do 1/3 into 5, and one boy will do 1/6 into 5th part of the work. Now, to add it up, we'll make the denominator same. LCM of 2 into 5, 3 into 5, and 6 into 5 is 6 into 5. So, we'll make the denominator same, that is 6 into 5. Here we'll multiply by 3. So, 3 by 6 into 5. Plus here we'll multiply both sides by 2. 2 by 6 into 5. Here we'll leave it as it is. Denominator is same, 6 into 5. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 and 6 will cancel out. So, one man, one woman, and one boy, every day they will do 1/5 of the work. Every day 1/5 of the work is done. So, how many days are required? Just find out the reciprocal. 5 days are required. So, option C, 5. A private cable channel has 200 subscribers on the list and collects fixed charges of ₹100 per subscriber. So 200 subscribers are there and each of them is paying ₹100. So what the company is getting is 20,000. The company proposes to increase the annual subscription, and it is believed that for every increase of ₹1, one subscriber will discontinue the service. So instead of charging ₹100, if the company is charging 101, one subscriber will leave out. So it will be only 199. So the company will be getting 199 into 101. Similarly, if you increase the subscription charges by ₹2, you will be getting 102 per subscriber. But one more subscriber will leave out and you will get only 198. Now the question is, what increase in the subscription charges will bring maximum income to the company? Now let us look at the theory behind these kind of questions. You have two positive integers a and b. Now they are both integers and they are positive values greater than 0. Now we have a restriction that a plus b is equal to 100. A plus b is equal to 100. Now what is the maximum value of a into b? Now this product a into b will be maximized when a is made as close as is possible to b. Here a plus b is equal to 100. Make them as close as is possible to each other, preferably equal to each other. Then this product a into b will be maximized. A plus b is 100, so you can make them both equal to 50. So if you take a as 50 and b as 50, they will become equal and the product will be maximized as 50 into 50, 2500. For example, you need to minimize the value a into b. Then make them as different as is possible. Now a plus b is 100. Make them as different as is possible. So that will be 1 into 99. So that will be 99. That is how you can minimize the product. So if you want to maximize the product a into b, make them as close as is possible to each other, preferably equal to each other. So here you can consider this as this value as a and this value as b. Now here a plus b, that sum is equal to 200 plus 100 is 300. Here also 101 plus 199, it is 300. 102 plus 198 is 300. So a plus b is equal to 300. What is the maximum value of a into b? A into b will be maximized when a is made as close as possible to b, preferably equal to b. A plus b is 300. So a should be made 150 and b should be made 150. Then they will become equal, and their product you will get it as 22,500. So the maximum amount that the company can get is 22,500, and you will get that when you increase subscription charges by 50 rupees. 100 to 150, you have to increase it by 50 rupees. So what should be the increase in the subscription charges? It should be rupees 50 increase. So option C, 50 is the right answer. The letters of the word beauty are arranged such that all the three vowels are together. How many arrangements are possible? So you have the word beauty. Now all the three vowels should be together. They are together means bring them together and treat it as one alphabet. If you treat it as one alphabet, then all the three vowels will be together. So you have this A, U and E. They should be brought together and treated as one alphabet. Now these three consonants are there, B, T and Y, and this one alphabet is there. This is treated as one alphabet. So effectively 4 alphabets are there. This is treated as one, and this can be kept in between T and Y or B and T, wherever you like. All the three vowels will be together. So 3 consonants, B, T and Y, and this one alphabet also. So effectively 4 of them can be interchanged in 4 factorial ways. And in each of these 4 factorial arrangements, A, U and D among themselves, they can be interchanged in 3 factorial ways. So these are the number of arrangements where A, U and D are together. That is 4 factorial into 3 factorial, option B. For a given fixed perimeter of 50 centimeter, how many rectangles can be formed such that its side measured in centimeter is an integer? Now the rectangle has a fixed perimeter of 50 centimeter. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times L plus B, and that is equal to 50, from which you will get L plus B is equal to 50 by 2, 25. So let us calculate the possible values of the length and the breadth. Now they are both measured in centimeter and it will be an integer. So one possible value is 1 and 24. That is L plus B has to be 25. So 1 and 24. Then 2 and 23. Then 3 and 22. 4 and 21. So on up to finally it can be 12 and 13. So these are the possible values of the length and breadth such that they are both integers. Now next, if you take 13, then this will be 12. Now 12 and 13 is same as 13 and 12, and any further value it will be just a repetition. So altogether 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 12. So 12 possible values are there for the length and the breadth. So altogether 12 possible rectangles are there. Hence option D, 12 is the right answer. If the sum of the first n terms in a series is n square, what is the sixth term? So it is some series, and sum of the first n terms of that series is n square. Now just for my convenience, I'll write the sum of the first n terms as sigma n, and this is equal to n square. So sum of the first 5 terms will be 5 square, that is 25. So sum of the first 6 terms will be 6 square, that is 36. Now sum of the first 5 terms, that is sigma 5, plus the 6th term, and this total will be sum of the first 6 terms. Now sum of the first 5 terms is 5 square 25. Sum of the first n terms is n square. Similarly, sum of the first 5 terms is 5 square 25 plus the 6th term, that is equal to sum of the first 6 terms, and sum of the first 6 terms is 6 square 36. Now 25 plus 11 is equal to 36. So the 6th term should be equal to 11. So which is the 6th term? That is option B, 11.